I took the bread out of the closet and made this. I should have done it earlier. In a bowl, I will put 6 eggs. And add a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. And also a teaspoon of oregano. Let's mix all the ingredients very well. Tell me your favorite recipe for bread and eggs. Now I'll add 200 grams of cottage cheese. People do it at your house and then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. Again, I will mix everything very well. I doubt you've ever made a recipe like that. Let's add 6 sliced sausages. 1 chopped tomato. 1 chopped onion, parsley to your taste. And also 200 grams of mozzarella. I'm gonna mix it up. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Julie Lang from Florida. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Now I will put 6 slices of bread inside a pan greased with flour and butter. What I like most about this recipe is that it is very easy to make. With a few ingredients from day to day, we managed to make a great option for lunch or afternoon coffee. I'm sure you'll get into your routine. I will also put some milk using a spoon on top of each slice. This way, I will make sure that our recipe will not get dry after baking. I do it myself often in my house, and when I do, there's nothing left. Next, I will put our egg mixture on top of the breads. In this way, I have no doubt that you will come back here to thank me for teaching you. Even your friends will text you to ask how to make this recipe. It's really amazing how delicious it is. Let's bake at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. And our recipe was already ready. Look what delight was. It became one of my favorites since the first time I tried it. After I learned this recipe, I never wanted to eat bread any other way. It's a great option to do on those days when you don't have much time to cook. Besides being easy to make, it also costs almost nothing, since it uses only a few ingredients that we all have indoors. It's really hard to eat just one piece. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.